Hey, Tiana here, Mind Body Movement Center. I wanted to give you your Wednesday work in to work out. So here we go. All right, finding hands and knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Elbows aren't locked out, so there's a little bit of softness in the elbows. We're going to take one foot back into half plank. I want you to feel your hands underneath you, maybe spreading out the fingers, noticing the connections at your pinky, ring, middle, index, and thumb. Shoulders are broad and the jaw's relaxed. On an exhale, we're going to lift that hip up that leg up just enough to keep the hip bones parallel to the floor, so I'm not doing an overextended lift. Opposite arm's going to reach forward and rise up. Palm goes to your midline. On an exhale, we're going to drop back down, toe touches, fingers touch. Inhale, rising back up. So noticing the connection of your toes as they hit the background, coordinated with the fingers touching at the same time, as well as the breath. So an inhale, rising up, exhale, dropping back down. Again, noticing how we can be aware of where our foot is, even though we can't see it. So there's an awareness. We know when the foot's going to touch the ground just as the fingers touch the ground. Great. Coming back to the other side, broadening the shoulders, take the leg back, rising up, and we begin again. So inhale, rising, exhale, dropping back. All right. That's it. You're working to work out. See you next time.